speed for tool number 1, 9.168. What is tool number 2?
$10.761.
Tool number 2 is also a drill. So this number represents inches per revolution. 0.003 times the RPMs, 3,587. We'll get 10.761. How do we work out the feed for a tap?
That's going to be as slow as possible, right? Because you don't want to break it.
Nope. Doesn't matter. Matters a great deal. Put the wrong feed rate, you're guaranteed to scrap your part and possibly break the tool inside the part.
Yeah, that's what I was worried, because I know taps break off all the time.
And this is how I can always tell who reads the machine fundamentals, because it gives you the formula in one of the units you should have read. We're going to come back to that tomorrow.
Oh.
Today I'm going to focus on speeds and feeds for drills. And then tomorrow we'll focus on the tap. Right, so we're going to come back to tool number 3 tomorrow. For tool number 4, the end mill, we already covered that formula previously. So it's 005 times the number of flutes, 2 flutes, times 917. That's going to give you a feed rate of
92.
9.17.
Oh, yeah.
So the process, machining a part, you're going to think about what tools are you going to use. Once you figure out what tools you need to use, you've got to figure out your speeds and feeds. Once you've got your speeds and feeds, then you need to start thinking about where you need the machine to move to. What are you going to do with each tool? Right? So if we go back to that print, what are we going to do with tool number 1, tool number 2, and tool number 3?
Load them in sequence.
Yeah. But what machining operation are you going to do? You load the spot drill into the machine, what's it going to do?
So it's incremental, G91. No?
What's the tool going to do? It's going to spot the holes. So where are the holes?
Oh, so we have to do that.
So you've got to figure out where you need to move the tool in order to hit each one of these holes. So where do you want to put the G54?
So
that is going to be hole position number 1. So over here, for hole position number 1, you can put what? 0, 0.
for the X.
What do you notice about our bolt circle?
It's concentric. It's they're evenly spaced.
It's evenly spaced. What did we go over on when we reviewed the test? You didn't have to work out all 11 holes.
Right. You just have to work
because
out.
it was what?
Same.
Symmetrical.
Symmetrical.
This one's symmetrical. Yes. On which axis?
X-axis.
So it's not symmetrical on the Y? Yes.
It is, but the bolt, the holes don't.
But what?
There's no hole in the center, but I mean, just that one. There's that one, yeah. That's just that one hole, the G54 hole.
So on this line, is it the same on both sides of the line?
Mm-hmm.
On this line, is it the same on both sides? So all we have to do is work out those 3 holes and we have all of them, because it's symmetrical.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So the first hole, I should say the second hole, because our first hole is in the middle, doesn't have an angle.
0.
Not 0, 0. 0, 0 is in the middle, so it has to have a value.
But it's just x.
What is the value?
It's x2.5 or 1.5.
X1, half of the diameter, the radius. Y0.
Y0. Yeah.
So I'm just going to go around.
But isn't it part 1 or 3 inches?
Okay.
So that would be 1.5, right?
The distance from the center to this line is 1.5.
Oh, okay.
Your holes are on a 2-inch ball circle, so it doesn't matter what size your part is.
1 inch.
So hole 2, you're going to put x1, y0. That means you have hole 7 right now, which is what? X negative 1, y0. Part is symmetrical, so if you've got plus on one side, it has to be negative on the other. Hole number 3. We've got the hypotenuse, 1 inch, the radius. What is the angle? How are we going to figure out the angle? 360 divided by what? Y11. 10. One of the holes is in the middle. It's not on the ball circle. Right?
36.
That gives you an angle of 36 degrees.
36 degrees, yeah.
And when you do 4, your angle is going to be 2 times 36. So 72 degrees. So what are the 2 formulas to use to solve ball circles? Sine times hypotenuse and cosine times hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is how much? 1 times anything gives you what? Same number. So all you're going to do is press sine 36, cosine 36, and you're done. Sine 72, cosine 72. What do we need to make sure of? Put them correctly. Don't put them backwards.
Yeah.
So otherwise you're going to scrap off your part.
The sine 36 is 0.5878. 0.5878. And then that was sine times 72, right? Easy to just hit sine 72 or sine.
That's it.
It's a 90. It's a 0.95.
Sine 72 is going to give you the opposite. In this case, the opposite gives you a vertical line. The vertical line represents the y-axis. Adjacent, it's going to be cosine, and that is going to give you the x. Right? So once you've got those 3 holes, you've got all the holes. You've just got to apply the negative.
The negative value.